Welcome everyone to the Vintage Tractor and Machinery channel. In this episode we travel to the delightful village of Tylden. Sit back and enjoy the highlights of the 2012 Tylden Vintage Tractor Pull. On screen is Ross Hanson in the David Brown. Another David Brown driven by Nick Smith. These David Browns are pulling in the under 20 horsepower class. Another David Brown on screen, and that's Tylden's very own Arlo Dickens. Here's Rod Gervin in the Lance Bulldog H model. Arlo Dickens in an upfield. We don't see Arlo often in an upfield. Ted Knowlton in an 827N petrol carrier. Trevor Brown enjoying a full pull aboard the 827N petrol carrier. Spot Nicholson aboard the very reliable AW6 International. Spot went on and had an extremely good pull. Here's Graham Wilkie in the Little International pulling in the under 25 horsepower class. Here's Jack Barrow from Littlehampton in South Australia aboard the E27N Fords. Bit of fun in the lunchtime break. Here's Peter Brown in the Bedford Blitz. Bedford Blitz is going up against Sid Green. Here's Sid now, plenty of smoke from Sid in the Ford Blitz in the shootout between the two trucks. Look at the change on those wheels. Brad Melton in a beautifully turned out International AW6. Plenty of smoke from Alan Langdon Jr.'s P6, the Fordson P6, and it's really starting to struggle there. Look at that front lifting. Here's Alan Langdon Sr. in the International. On screen is TJ Nicholson in another P6 Fordson E27N. Another smoking, and that's Barry Maloney from out there at Trentham in another E27N P6 Fordson. Castlemaine's Robert McClure in a beautifully turned out Chamberlain Type 40K. In the under 35 horsepower class, it's Kevin Leary in the Massey Harris 745D. John Christo in the John Deere R model, doing a great job. Here we have Jeff Thomas in the LA case. Another LA case, this time this one's been driven by Barry Maloney. The only lady competitor this weekend, and it's Victoria Hanson with a passenger in the Chamberlain. Werribee Wild Man, that's Nick Smith in a John Deere. Castlemaine's Tim McClure in a Chamberlain Canelander. Chamberlain 306 driven by Buddy Rochek, complete with the front bulldozer blade. Here's Len Gervin in the Australian-built Chamberlain 9G. Another Australian-built Chamberlain, that's a Super 70 driven by Barry Maloney. Here's the fabulous Australian-built Chamberlain Super 90. Of Tim McClure. Here we have Barry Maloney again. This time Barry's driving the Twin City. One of the state's best pulling vintage tractors, that's John Detman in the Chamberlain Super 70. Ross Hanson in the Australian Super 90. Look at the weights on those rear wheels. Here's TJ Nicholson in the big John Deere. There's another John Deere 5020. This tractor is driven by Graham Wilkie. Graham went on to win the Open class here at Tylden. We hope you enjoy the highlights from the 2012 Vintage Tractor Pull from Tylden. Until next time, I'm Peter Shea, and it's goodbye from Tylden.